Welcome to CondoLogie.
Okay, I'm Condo bot. Wow, the form has changed. We are going to work with the budget items form. But just before, we are going to look at our summary quickly. We see that they are starting to set up figures inside the summary. We see that the description of the condominium has been executed. We have small amounts that are starting to settle. Then we will work at the level of the budget systems, so we will also have other things that will come install. It will become very interesting. If I go to the budget items, once again, as in the description of the condominium, there are two ways to enter budget items. The first is fields by fields and the second is by import. Of course, I strongly suggest an import because it's quick and easy. There are 105 budget items, it's already very detailed and we can add, modify items. We can do what we want, so what I suggest is to import. So before importing our budget items, let's do a little overview. In budget items, it happens to be the fields by fields form. It is here that we can complete all the details of the item that interests us. In this report here, you can either go through a field by field record or do an import. Here we have the register of follow-ups or payments. We will look at how we can set reminder dates to be able to do follow-ups or reminder dates to make payments. We will be able to analyze our contingency fund as well as the maintenance book. An interesting part. It means that if there are budget items during the import that do not interest you and are not part of your condominium, we can determine them as unused items, then later maybe that we would need. Archives are for budget items that have only been used once. We proceed with the import, we click on import, on local storage, we will go to our master file where we have saved the importer. Budget items, we open, our items are set up, our mapping fields are placed, we do an import, we look at the result, and boom, it's done. So we have our budget items that are all lined up. We have 103. I said 105, so we will have the opportunity to work on each of these items in a future video. Alright, now, we need to talk. Because doing a condominium administration, there are ways to do it. You have seen that the import has taken place and that we only have 103 items. Perhaps the majority of you will say to yourselves, well, me in my financial statement, I only have 25 items. How can we have 103? How can we have 200 or more? It should be understood, it is that often the administrations work in macro. Take a good look. I'm going to go into the procedure, then there's a little section that talks about macro set or micro detailed mode. In fact, we do the micro as a detailed administration and then the macro is an overall items administration. If we talk about extinguishers, we can encompass all the instinctors or we can take each of the instinctors individually. What I am telling you, what we have observed at the level of CondoLogie, is that more and more the most transparent administrations are becoming more and more micro. This means that you have to think about more detailing the items that make up the budget. So it's a bit the same thing in slow motion if you want there for a condominium. You will have to pay to maintain it. You will have to provide funds for upgrades or items will need to be replaced one day. I'm Condo bot and we are entering in serious subject, the budget.